Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have for you G.O.A.T-Ferrari, alright, 488 4K. Now guys, before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of the support, guys, on the car channel. We're almost to 800 subscribers. Let's hit it and then let's pass it, okay? Let's go ahead and let's check this out right now. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Thank you for always liking, commenting, subscribing, and let's go. Let's check this out. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. VTI. Ooh, it looks nice already. I like it.
First person shooter mode, we turning your son to a funeral. To them niggas that say they want office, you better be talking about working in cubicles. Yeah, them boys had a lot, but I knew the code. Lot of niggas debating my numero. Not the 3, not the 2 on the UNO. First person shooter mode, we turning your son to a funeral. To them niggas that say they want office, you better be talking about working in cubicles. Yeah, them boys had a lot, but I knew the code. Lot of niggas debating my numero. Not the 3, not the 2 on the UNO. Working too deep, I look at the tweets and start sucking my teeth. I'm letting it rock cause I love the mystique. I still wanna give me a song where I be. Can't trust everything that you saw and I cheat. Just know if I diss you, I make sure you know that I hit you like I'm on your caller ID. I'm naming the album to fall off. It's pretty ironic cause it ain't no fall off for me. Still in this nigga, they wait for the key to come trap like a father to be. Love when they argue the hardest MC. Is it K-Dot, is it Aubrey or me? We the big 3 like we started a league, but right now
listen, I'm not a big Ferrari guy, but this shit is sexy. This shit is sexy, I'm not gonna lie. Yo. This shit? Wow. This was well done. This was well done. Yo. Vision, bro. Huge congratulations to you, bro. This shit is nice. Oh my god. Yo, VTI, man, props for the videos. Props for the videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And I'll always see you on the next one, alright? Peace.